Mastering the future perfect tense. Time travel with English grammar. Hello, dear learners. Today we're going to explore a very exciting part of English grammar, the future perfect tense. It's like a time machine that helps us travel into the future, but with a twist. It allows us to talk about actions that will be completed at a certain point in the future. So, buckle up. Let's begin our journey into the English language time-space continuum. The future perfect tense is used when we want to indicate an action that will be completed at a specific point in the future. The general structure is subject plus will have plus past participle. For instance, by next year, I will have finished my novel. Here, the action of finishing the novel will be complete at a specific point in the future, which is by next year. Irregular verbs play a crucial role in the future perfect tense, as we use the past participle form of these verbs. This form is different from the base and past simple forms in irregular verbs. Unlike regular verbs where it's usually just the addition of ed or d. For example, go becomes gone, eat becomes eaten, write becomes written, and so on. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. By the time you arrive, we will have eaten all the food. 2. She will have gone to the conference by the end of the month. 3. They will have written the report by Friday. To solidify your understanding, let's try some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct future perfect form of the verbs given in brackets. 1. By 10 p.m., I, blank, watch the entire season. 2. They, blank, read all the books by the end of summer. 3. She, blank, see the new movie by the weekend. Pause the video here and try to fill in the blanks yourself before we go through the answers. And here are the answers. 1. By 10 p.m., I will have watched the entire season. 2. They will have read all the books by the end of summer. 3. She will have seen the new movie by the weekend. How did you do? Remember, practice makes perfect. And that brings us to the end of our time travel with the future perfect tense. Remember, this tense is all about actions that will be completed in the future. It's a little tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're looking forward to helping you further in your journey to master English. Happy learning!